bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast, just like the sea. In this trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moji's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow low. Moji and me, we still style. Digging like a profit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji and me, we still styled. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Whoa. Perfect brigade. Oh, perfect brigade. Oh, Korea.
Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, December 10th. It is 9:17 in the morning. We're getting ready for the New York Open. Welcome, everybody. My name is Mo G. You're here watching live trading with funded futures. We have a cool day today because we had a nice sell off yesterday, and let's see what's going to happen with the market today, what New York wants to do. So again, we start off every show. Remember, trading is risky, so please take proper risk management. This is for educational purposes. This is in no way financial advice. All right, now with that, let's head right to the charts. All right, so you see here in the chart, I have my game plan on for the day. Um, you can see how price is working within it right now. Um, right here, I would say around 5 o'clock in the morning, we were testing this area here, and we are now, um, so far, we're heading bullish. So I think a lot of people took longs from what I can see. So if you're in the long, just see how long you can hold it. Let's look at my directional chart. As you can see here, I'm going to leave this chart for now because this is a beautiful chart right here. You can see we had from the 4-hour forecaster, it tried to price to accept into here. It could not. You had a nice sell-off before it bounced right back. So let's see if New York wants to continue on this upward movement. So today we are streaming on Twitch. We're streaming on YouTube, on two channels on YouTube. We have Trading with TWA and on the Mindset Trader. So all indicators you see here today are TWA indicators. If anyone's ever interested in these indicators, please DM me or send in a comment, and we can get you access. So let's see what the trigger chart is. Ooh, this is nice. I am not in any trades right now. I don't start trading till about 9:30. However, if anyone did catch this long here, congrats. Let's see. Let me see. For those who traded earlier, someone must have caught this beautiful long. This is nice. Let's just review this little trade here. You had it on my chart. Okay, you had yellow TPO. It turned off. You could, and then this is my setup right here. This is what I would be looking for. Boom, 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 right here. And then if you had it, and if you just followed the trail stop, you would have been in until here, which is fantastic. Fantastic. All right, let's see what's going to happen today. Sorry, I'm developing a little bit of a cough here, but we'll power through this. All right, so as I'm looking at the charts today, let me just take a quick peek. You can join me on this quick peek. All right, we are looking like we're in a bit of a range today. We're in the middle. We're looking, all right, so right now my bias is looking for a long. However, if we stay in this area by open, which is in another 9 minutes, I will be looking to, if I'm looking long, all depends on what I see at the open. It will be, my risk management will be pretty low because of we're in what's considered an expensive area. All right, so now that is the breakdown of the market. So as of right now, we have to wait and see. So far, I have signs of things being pretty bullish today. Even though you see up here, if you see up here, this is a great indicator. This is the dashboard. It just kind of gives you like a quick glance to see how each New York session, London session is doing, and how price action is playing at that particular time. It changes once all the information catches up. All right, so let's see what we got today. Make sure everything on the tube is looking good. All right. Yeah, so this will be, the format is going to change just a little bit in the next couple of days, meaning I will have guest traders on. I'm definitely going to get the guest traders on this. They're going to be guest traders or funded guest traders, and they'll be trading live with us on YouTube. And we all use TWA indicators. However, we all have different setups and different ways we use it. So I think it's good to bring on different viewpoints on how people are maximizing their trading, not only because of the indicators, but also practicing good mindset, good technique, everything like that. And I think tomorrow, I believe tomorrow is a news day. I believe it is a news day tomorrow. Let me just do a quick check for everybody. We have about 5 minutes to open. Let's see here. news and events. Other than that, welcome everybody who's viewing. Please leave a comment and a like. Let me know what you think. Are you a bull or are you a bear today? If you're a bull, just type bull in the comments. If you're a bear, type in bear. Let's see. Where's my news? Here it is. All right, let's look at this news and see if anything is happening today. Let's see here. Just make sure everybody can see it. There you go. There you go. So you can see it a little better. Okay. So pretty cool. So this morning, while I was on the treadmill, I heard this great quote by his name is Jocko Willis. He's a big podcaster here in the U.S. And he has this thing called extreme ownership. And when he's talking about extreme ownership, it's basically accountability, right? How well you do things, how bad you do things, it's 100% comes back to you. And the same thing you can put into trading, right? Now, you cannot control which way the market is going. However, what you can control, the only thing you can control is your emotions as soon as you enter a trade and as soon as you and how you trail the trade. I don't know why they say it's not centered. I think that would be a little better. How's that? Is that a little better? Oh wait, I know why. This is a little spread out. Let me do this. There you go. There you go. You guys like seeing this. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see the nice candle coloring. Okay. There. Perfect. So that's good. So this way you can see a little bit to the left and then where we are right now. And I'll keep moving my chart as we go along. Yeah, so back to the extreme ownership just before open. Remember, you are in control of your emotions. You control how you feel about every entry and every non-entry. So while we wait for open, we got 2 minutes. Let's see, what are we feeling like today? What's this one? Yeah, I'll do that one. Let's put some tunes in the background. Let's get our minds ready. All right. I will be trading on Tradevate. Make sure your Tradevate is up. Everything is good to go. Okay, I'm gonna trade this one. All right, we're a minute and about a minute and a half away from open. Sweet. All right, so hopefully we get some more eyes on this so they can see these indicators in action that can also help with our mindsets while we're trading. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can make this a quick day. I want to see if I can finish my day by 11. That's my personal goal, what I try to do. You know, I don't like staying in front of the charts all day long. I like to be in and out. Why? Less risk on my part. Meaning less entries. Ooh, Horatio's been long since London at 21,491. Look at that. Still in his long. That's beautiful. That's what we want to see. Squeeze those trades. All right, and we are officially open, everybody. Let's see. Let's see how the ATR picks up. Right now the ATR is 4. It's pushing down a little bit. Not surprised. Let's see if we can. What are we? There's okay. No order. All right. So we might be in a bit of a range today. Let's see. Let's see if we can figure out where the range is going to be. Oh, I gotta pop this one out too. Okay, let's see now. All right. Look like the market's pushing down a little bit in the open. You got a sell button here. That's the purple. I'll just move this over a bit so you guys can see it. Let me see. This is. Is it trying to get back to the gray box? Let's see. Not in anything yet, but I am looking because my setup is here. Let's see if it. Remember, this is the open, right? So it's literally anything can happen. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Not yet, not yet. I want to see what it does against this gray box. If it doesn't accept back in, then I'll be going in. I'll take a little scalp short. If not, then I'll wait. Okay, so right here I'm gonna wait a little bit. This is why you have to wait in the open. ATR is climbing. What is that? How do I read ATR? Simple. When an ATR goes up, that just means obviously one, there's more volatility and there's more participation. But two, that means my moves can be, if I catch it right with the right direction, it could be a faster move to my risk-free. The key is getting the direction right. Okay, so far I don't see any evidence of a direction just yet. I have probabilities saying short 1, 2, 3, but here I got a mixed. So you just gotta wait. I'm waiting just a little bit. Okay, I like how it kind of couldn't get in the box even at the open. Let's just see. No rush. I got only 9:33. It's only been 3 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Hey, Gabby, how are you? Horatio, thank you. Anybody who joined, who's watching, please click that like button. That'll be awesome. Okay, so nothing just yet. Nothing just yet. Nothing. And if you've been on the lives with me for the past week and 2 weeks, this is kind of how the opens have been in New York since in December. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, this is approved sign. See how price get back in here, so that invalidates my short idea for now, and I'm just gonna wait. I gotta wait for the information to match. Now, would I take a long here? I would have to reduce my risk because we are considered expensive here, and so far we have not been able to really be accepted into this gray 4 hour forecaster box. ATR is 8. Nothing yet. Nothing to do here just yet. Let's see here. Just trying to get in this box. This is good. So if you're in a long and you haven't gotten taken out yet, you're in good shape. If you're not in anything, just, patience. Patience, patience, patience. Okay, so you see how, all right. I'm gonna take a small trade here. Let's see. I want it to go to the bottom of the box and prove it can stay in, and then I'll take a small trade in. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. No. Okay. Nope. All right. Just gotta wait. I'll give it about 3 minutes. I'll give it 3 candles. See if anything turns around. Okay, so now while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna look back to see if I saw any real setup here. Okay, I did see the short setup here, but the probability oscillator was telling us bullish, so did not take that one. That's okay. Okay, now right now we are climbing steadily. We have a change in the IVD, so that means we got bullish movement here. So I'm gonna take a small try it trade here, even though I know we're by the high. Let's see what else. let me look at this chart because this one's giving me all different. Okay, so this is what I like to see. Yeah, okay. Let's see if we can get past that. Alright, so I have to wait for a good opportunity to get into a long, so I have to wait for price to come down a bit. Two things. I wait for price to come down. I'm looking long right now, so either I have to wait for price to come down, or I'm gonna wait till the context changes and we get a new 4-hour forecaster to help me plot out my trades. Ooh, there you go. That's nice. That's a good sign. Change this a bit to this one. That's a really good sign. See how it got accepted into the box? That's nice. This is just draw this. So if you're already in a long, how can you use this indicator here? Well, you could draw a box like I did, right? And then each area can be an invalidation point for you, right? So let's say you got in here. Price reached here. You know, you can have your stop either with the trail stop or just below the box. Right now I'm not in any trades yet. I am getting a little FOMO-ish because I like the way price action is, but I have to wait. I gotta wait for a better entry spot so this way I don't put myself at too much risk. Yeah, right now I just gotta wait a little bit. Yeah, and this is a new high right here, so definitely gotta wait. All right, so where can we wait to? Possibly here, back to here. Otherwise, right now there's no trade for me personally. If your chart says something different, go right ahead. But for me right now the risk is not worth the reward. Meaning, one thing I made when I use this is I can use this 4-hour forecaster as a risk management tool as well as an entry tool. And as a risk management tool, you know, it's a very low tier for the direction I want to go. So like what would you put? If I get the itch, I probably put one micro, maybe two. See if I can ride that all day. Otherwise, I can wait 15 minutes for a new 4-hour to give me more context. Let's see what we got going on here. Did anyone take this long at open? I would like to know. I'll be very interested to see if anybody took the long at open. I know Horatio was in long before open. I want to see if anyone took the long at open. Let's see. All right. I didn't. Yeah, I don't blame you. I didn't either. I was just waiting. I don't know. Do you have like the 4 hour forecaster? Anybody who? How about this? Does anybody see value in this 4 hour forecaster? Ooh, mechanical entry. Very nice. Very nice. And we are rocking and rolling. This is similar to what happened Friday. Very similar. We are just flying right now. Guess we got our answer. What New York wants to do. Now let's see if I can find a way to join the party. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, there we go. Come on. All right. Well, and you give me an opportunity to join the party. Let's see. Okay, so see that X symbol? That means a breakout X. So this would be a breakout trade. So anyone entering here, you know, caution because we are in a breakout. If you're already in, just keep trailing your long. You don't have to exit out, just trail it. If anything, if you want some assistance emotionally with trailing your stops, you could use this trail stop here. And right here, you can see it's at 21,556, which is a nice spot because it's right at the top of this expensive box, which I believe would be a great tool. Okay, C8 entered at, what was that, 527. I don't think that's late. I disagree with you, my man. I don't think that's late. I think you entered as soon as price got accepted here. So I think I like that one. I like this one. This is a. I mean, entering late would be up here, in my opinion. If you enter up here, that's really late because you've already seen the whole move just happened already. But this was a good call out right here. Kudos to the prove it sign. It did its thing. Which one is the expensive box? Okay, so the expensive boxes are anything above this yellow line here. So this gray and the turquoise green one, these are considered expensive. Anything below the line is considered cheap. The 582 level. Yeah, let me do it again. I'm just gonna switch cameras for a second, switch views. I'm gonna do a little, my little extra stuff with some levels. So let's see. Okay. We have, okay, so this one, just making sure, okay. Yeah, we got right there, one. We have two, okay. And let me see what else is on here. Get an idea. Yep, here, okay, like that. Okay, this is good, okay. Yep, right there, perfect. Alrighty. Now I can come back here and show you guys the levels that, oh wait, here again, not there, here. So I put these two levels now, I'm going to put them on my trigger chart, so just so they're there. You see how price totally went into this area, and now it's showing a little bit of weakness here. That's fine. So what does this tell me? Now, if it can rest here and stall, I will look to go in long. Okay, if it breaks, I wouldn't go in short. I would just find the next long area would probably be here and then here. Okay, let's see. So you see some weakness here. That's how do I know it's weakness? One, you can see the filter line turn red. Two, you can see the my evidence line or bars at the bottom here. The 15-second is turning red, so you can see a little push down. Okay, you see the surge here has a red border and a red that this line up top is called the TM strength line. That just tells me we're getting the opposite, right? So if it's bullish, we're getting the opposite movement. Ooh, we got a fake out too. I know Adam says we have a trader. All they do is just wait for these two signs, 1, 2, and then they go in. And that person just is killing, just doing that simple strategy. See this, enter. And if it's the other way, enter. That's the great thing about these indicators. They fit any trading style. Because they can be tweaked to your personal trading style to help you, whatever you need. Okay, we got a Gabby sell button, that purple. Let's zoom in a bit. There you go. Okay, we are dumping. That's nice. Let's see if I can catch a little bit of this. Let's see. Let's see if I can catch a little bit of this. Take a couple points. Okay, so I went in short. This is against the trend, so I'm going to be out pretty quickly. Let's see. Okay. Let's go. Come on, come on. Come on, give me my TP1. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna be out of this one soon. Come on, give me my couple points. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. There it is. There it is. There it is. Push. Oh, by a tick. By a tick. Come on. I'm not only looking for 10 points on this because I'm against the trend right now. Let's see if it wants to give it to me. I'm literally like 2 points away. I'm going to get out of this one soon because I don't like to wait. Yep. Come on. One more push. One more push down. Don't like this one bit. Okay, let me get out. I'm green. I was green. It just didn't give me the 10 points I wanted. So I'll wait. I'm against the trend. So no need to force anything. The better option was here, but I missed it. Ooh, okay. Now, of course, it's all right. We have 4 minutes till the new 4 hour. Look at how quickly all the probabilities flipped. Interesting. Interesting. I think this might be a pullback to get into a long. We'll see. I want to see some new context. Yeah, all right. So I know a lot of people are in the long. Are you still in it? Did you get taken out? So how many points did you secure? Let's see. Yikes. Okay. Actually, change this to that. Let me see, I like it here. If we can't get back in this box, let's see if it gets back into this area here before the new 4 hour. That would be bullish to me. But this was clean. Look at the breakout X and the fake out. Then you had the change in the, and this is the, what is this thing called? The strict filter line. and that was a nice run there. Oh, this is good. I like seeing this. See if it can set up for a long. Ooh, okay. He's still in it though. Look at this. He was 3 points away from 100 points, but he's still in the long. Let's see if it'll get back up there for. I think it's gonna get back up there for you. Just from what I'm seeing here. Okay, new 4 hour. That's nice. Okay, we got new contacts, and that's pretty good. Okay, let's see if we can get in here. This is one area I will get in long. There's my setup. Just give it a couple of seconds. 1, 2, 3. Good. What's the ATR? 12? Where would my stop be? There. Okay, I'll take this. I'm gonna go in. Alright, I'm in long. Let's see if I can get risk free. Okay. There we go. Come on. Get me risk free. Let's go. Still in. There we go. A risk-free long. Risk-free long. There we go. So let's see. This is awesome. Risk-free. $540, which is here. Yeah, so I like that. I'll take that. They have the stop here at 26. Okay. All right. Now I'm in this long. Let's now see. Let's see where we can see some targets, right? Obviously, the first hurdle will be here because that's where it rejected last time. If we break through that, this is the next hurdle. Here, I'll just move this box over just so we can see it better. Okay, so first hurdle here, second hurdle, acceptance here, then here, then here, then here, then there, then to the moon. Oh, and we got a Gabby button. That makes me feel better. We have a green strict candles. Probability is green. Let's see if we're on the trend. Trend candles are just flipped to green, which is good for us. Now let's ride this long. Excuse me. Yeah, and this long here. I don't care about that. You know, so while I'm in this long, I can reflect a little bit on some other trades I've had, especially in the past, especially last week, because my mindset was all screwed up because I was close to payout. And what I find when I get close to payout is that I try to rush to hit the target, and that messed me up completely. I did not blow the account. The account is still good, but I had, like, on one particular funded account, I had 3 losing days in a row. Not horrible, but they were still red. So I came in today. Yesterday was a good day. One of my accounts, I did fantastic. So today's a day where I'm really gonna hone in on my um, risk management and my setups and make sure I understand that I'm taking my process and not just taking anything trying to hit somebody else's goal for me. See, this is how I take it. Anytime I see, oh, X many days for this, X many days, that's somebody else's goal. I only have to trade my goal. You trade your goal, you'll eventually hit it anyway. Nice. What is your TP2? How many points is that? Is that 100 for you, Gabby, or 50, 75, 400? How many points is that? My TP2 is 100. So my TP1 was at 7.75, so I'm completely risk free, and I'm going to see if I can ride these contracts to. Oh, nice. Depending on how many micros I trade, I have them scattered as well. Like it'll be a TP1, so everything's risk free. Then I'll have a TP2 sometimes to take some more money off the table, and then I can leave one to run as far as I can. Okay, so I'm gonna let that trade run. How much? What is it up now? Okay, about 25 points in my favor so far. Okay, we're at that sticky area. Let's see if the bulls can blow past it. Because this is where we rejected last time. Another breakout. Okay, so this is the second breakout we have here. Let's see if we get another fake out or not. Wait, hold on. I have how many TPs? Oh, I do have, so at 50 points, I'm going to take one contract off the table. And then I'll leave the other one running. We almost there at 50 points. I have not moved my stop loss yet. It's I think it's, to be honest, I think where I had it matches, almost matches where it is on this screen here. Oh yes, this is what I like to see. Let's go. Let me get that TP2. Get it off the table. How many points? Ooh, okay. It might not be right now. It might take a little bit. Nice. Yep, I have a very, very similar plan, Gabby. Except I use a 50 point for my second TP. Especially when I see those buttons come. Woo! All right, here we go. I think we are on a streak right now. This is 3 days in a row. 100 points have been hit on the YouTube live stream from members for the TWA. This is fantastic. Let's see if it's going to hit that 50 point mark for me. I think so. I mean, just based on how things are moving at this present time, and my TPO just turned green, which is a good sign. Let's see. All right. Oh man, we're like ticks away. One tick away. One screwy tick away. There we go. TP2 has been hit. Now I have one runner running. I have not moved my stop loss yet. My target is right here, where my game plan is. Right around there. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is nice. So now what am I looking at right now? I'm looking here. Can price stay inside this area? Okay, because the last time we just dipped above this line and we came back down. Can the bulls hold this? And then we can, settle here for a bit and then continue up, or even come back to here, settle, and then come out. Let's see. Let's see. All right. All right, so at worst, with this one contract I have on, I'm either losing $20 from here, or I get 200. I think that's a good risk to reward ratio, right? $20 for 200. I like that. I'm trading my micros today. I think I went a little mini crazy last week, so I decided to reduce my risk. I'm just gonna let that one ride, and then what is this? This is MNQ here. Let's see if I can. Let's see what this wants to bring. Let's go there. Let's see if we can get to 610 from here. That's their first target. Let's see. Where's that at? 61. Let's see. Okay, so we see a little weakness happening right here. Getting a little push down. Not surprised. Not surprised at all with that. Yikes. That's fine. Alright, let's see. We got a little push down. Still in the runner. Now, this is important. If we can stay above here. This is where it'll be very important. $62. All right. All right, so I'm moving my stop up to 65.62. Okay, so now at worst, this one runner will be either a $25 trade or at best a $200 trade. The reason why I moved, I just followed this trail stop, 162. Boom. Just make sure, see if anybody is in the other Discord. All right, we've had a couple people. All right, let's change this up a little bit. All right, so a little recap. Looking long today since we were above this area, my game plan, then the secondary levels in between the game plan, which, to be honest, are as important as the game plan. Then you can see here, this was the retest. This is where I got in, and now I'm just riding that long. That's basically where we are now. Let's see. Let's see here. Go 5. This is okay. Let's see if we're gonna get another push up here. So far, price looks like it wants to accept. Let's just see. Remember, these are only 1 minute candles, so gotta take that with a grain of salt. Let's see. I like what price action is doing. I like how TPOs are green. I'm feeling very confident in what I'm seeing here. And I also liked how we kind of rejected off of this line here. So there you go. There we go. Wait, did this change? This. Oh, that's right. No, I want this to change it to 10. Let's move this up a little bit. Boom. Okay. Still in this trade. Let's see, where's the stop at 60? Okay. Notice how we didn't have a fake out here and we kept going. Now, you don't want to enter in on these breakouts, but it's nice when they don't have a fake out coming right like within a couple minutes afterwards. All right, so I believe tomorrow is a news day. Okay, here. All right, so see the next hurdle now is this middle area. Can we break it? Let's see. And this is basically it. This is trading. This is real trading right here. That's how I like to do it, where I'm risk-free and I'm using the knowledge and the indicators to ease my mind. So this way I can say, okay, well, what's my worst case scenario? Okay, I make $4 on a trade, or I lose $4 on a trade. Okay, what's my best case scenario? It can hit X amount, right? All depends on your contract sizing, but you understand the concept. Sorry. I know we have one 100 pointer here. And this is these days. These are the days really I just sit back and observe. Because I have, so just for true transparency, I'm trading two live, not two live, excuse me, two funded accounts at the same time. One is up 50 points, and the other is up. I took a little trade here, very reduced risk. So that one's up. Let me see, 40, about 15 points. Both risk free. Both are risk free. Let's see. Let's see what it can give us. No, I do not copy trade. Um, I just don't like copy trading because I feel like on whatever the follower accounts are, there's less control over, meaning there could be some slippage and stuff like that. So I don't really like to copy trade if I can help it. Let's see, this is at 65. Let me just make sure my stops are 65. Let's go to the other one. Yep, this one. The other one's gonna probably die on me right about now. That's alright. Still risk free. Don't care. Good. Alright, now I just wait. Gotta wait to see what happens. I still have my other long running. Okay, you might see a little weakness come starting right about now. Yeah, so if you're still in a long, be prepared for some weakness right about here. Let's see how far it wants to go. My. Oh, it's one. Let's see. All right, so that's very bullish. Very bullish sign right there that it's still wicking here. See if it wants to break back through. Let's see. All right, so right now, not much happening. I'm just gonna see if price can settle here. If not, it's gonna push back through. Sure does seem like it wants to push down. But we'll see. Let's see. All right, so had a nice long here, still in it. Has not hit anywhere near my stop loss yet, so that's good. Change this to this one again. Okay, so it looks like it prices wants to stick above here. If it breaks down, it's gonna break down pretty sharply. I think we might get like a 10-point flush if it does. But still bullish, so that'd be an opportunity, another opportunity to get into a long, but not just yet. Not just yet. Okay, here comes that flush down. It's about to take out my stop soon, but I'm just gonna leave it there, see if it gets close to it. Ooh, man. Let's see. So far, still in. Just gonna squeeze out as much as I can out of this trade. I'm leaving my stop where it is. Okay. See how close it's. Let's see how close it'll get. Let's just see how close it wants to get. It's pretty darn close. Let's see if it's gonna take my stop. So far, not yet. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, no. Wow, I'm still in this trade. Awesome. Still in this trade. See how close it came? That's insane. Came within what 3 points? Wow. Let's see. Let's see if it still can hold it. Where's my 10? Oh, here it comes. It's about to tag me out. It's getting mighty close. And I am a fish. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Oh, it's pushing. It's pushing. And I'm out. All right, well, you know what? I took 50 points out of the market from that trade. Green on the day. Let's see what happens here. Let's see how far it's going to go down before it wants to switch back. Wow, here we go. That's a nice push down. Now this is, if you took short, this is the shorts you like. I like when it pushes down like this, like real quick. Don't. Oh, sell button. Let's see if it's going to push down anymore. Or is it going to reject the way down here and then just push back up again? Let's see. So far, it's pushing back. Oh, we got a double sell. That's good. That means if we break this, I think we're going to push to this gray box. Excuse me. Let's see, what, 517 is where? Oh, it's all the way down here. Okay, well, see, let's see if we can get past here. So far, no. So far, no. See how the sell buttons went away? We are in Chop City right now. Yeah, just look for another opportunity to get in long, if you want. I think this might be an opportunity for a long here soon. I don't know if I'll take it yet. If you do take a long, just make sure you have a TP1 that's pretty tight because we're in TPO's yellow right now. So there's going to be some chop along the way. And here's the chop. Let's see. All right, so right now let's just do a little recap. I took a long. I got took a long. I got 50 points. I was able to squeeze out. Um, I don't know how much that is. See, there you go. There's the push for the long. Let's see. Mental trade here. Let's see if we get 7 point TP1. It would have been in 3, 2, 1. All right, so there's this mental trade. TP1 would have been hit. And now just let it run. Okay. Let's see now. Let's see if this is the next leg up from this bullish move. From this area would have been a reduced risk, not a full max heavy contract. Yeah, okay, so just a little recap. Let me just see something. Okay. All right, so a little recap. This was from the open. I did not take this long. However, we did have a fake out, which was good if you missed the long, because then you just had to wait for it to pull back. And then I caught this one here, right from this area, all the way up to here. And then that's been it. Almost 150 point trade. Right now you see we're probably going to sit around here for a while. Yeah, because right now we're considered choppy, which is not surprising because we're in between these areas here. So we could sit here until New York decides what it wants to do from there. All right, so we definitely had some 100-point trades today. How many people are in here? All right, let me see. How's the Discord doing? Anybody in the Discord right now? We got 2 people. All right. All right, so right now we're in Chop City right here. Let's see what New York wants to do. Okay, it looks like it wants to push longer. Let's see if we can break through here. Yep, got 100 points hit. Awesome. Very cool. TPOs are a lifesaver. When I see this yellow, just give yourself, just relax. You don't have to enter. You don't have to do anything. Just wait. Yeah, this is a patient day in the market. Long opportunities were there. We're still trending. Well, let's see. Yep. See, and one here. This is where I got in. Here, and I used the trail stop, and I got out like right there. No worries. Oh, definitely stuck in this area here. Let's see. Yeah. All right. I will be right back. I'm gonna keep the chart up for. I'll be right back in like 2 minutes.
Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go, cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick tock on the trading clock, price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block, riches knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create.
There you go. I'm back. So what I was asking you was one strategy I use when I see a yellow TPO is I get up and walk away. Reason being, it helps me not get into some dumb trades because if I just sit here looking, especially at the 1 minute chart, um, your mind kind of wants to get into a trade. So what I was asking is, if for those who are watching, how many of you would incorporate or have incorporated, a little like meditation or something, either before you're trading, after you're trading, during, just to get those uh, emotions out. I know some people do have, like, those walking, the desk treadmills. Some people do that. Yeah, because the market right now, it's it's gonna chop around here. If you notice, we're still in between. Uh, See how we're in between these levels here? See if you guys can see that. Yeah. See these two white lines here? We're just in between those areas. And the last time we dipped below, then we came right back in. This time though, we kind of held it. We're stalling out here. So because we're stalling out here, that is an indication to me, if we can stay here, we might be going long again, right? However, like the huge push up will cause this to turn off. They'll turn to gray or green, right? If this holds. Same thing as the other way, right? If we pass this area here, if we pass this area here, then we can see, this will probably turn off again, and then you'd see some color changes. Maybe not here, but definitely here. There, see, this one's already starting. Let's see what the trend says. The trend still says bullish. It might start pushing down now. And look what's sitting right here. This is the money zone right here, right underneath that level. So if it does push down, don't be surprised if it pushes down. If this stays, it could, create a good pullback area for a long. Or if this breaks and then it's coming back down to at least this gray box area. That's my prediction. But I don't trade off of my predictions. I wait for the market to actually show me, was my thinking right? Okay, we got approved sign here, so this is a good indication. We're possibly going to be breaking down this way. Let's see. Let's change this up to this one. Okay, so far we're inching this way. Let's see if the bears can win and actually push this down. However, you have to, we are very bullish, so be careful. All right, so it's 11. It's 10:48. We should see some fireworks at around 11:15. Let's see. See what we got over here. Yes, I think I'm officially done for the day. Oh, here we go. Starting to try to peek through. But this doesn't really mean anything to me until it can break this area here. Because we've been here before. See? I'll really be interested if this can break here. It's on the YouTube. Okay. Well, here we go. Starting to peek through that area. I told you, see some of the colors starting to change already? Again, 1 minute chart, right? You gotta. Ooh, there's a sell button too. If that closes, that would be nice. Let's see what happens if it closes. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see if a little mental short here would give us 7 points. Let's see. This is just a mental short here because of the sell sign and the proved sign. See if we can get a little risk-free short. Again, very risky because it's a choppy the yellow TPO. But let's see. Starting to see change in probability. You see how it's pushing back because this is where the money zone is. But let's see. Let's see if it's gonna, who can win it out. So far it's fighting here. Let's see. Let's see if it can get us a 7-point risk-free TP1. Almost there. Yeah, whoa, okay. All right, so that gave us TP1. Let's see how far this trade can actually go. Let's see. Where would my stop be? My stop would be at 43. Yeah, that's not bad. Right here. More like here. It's okay. I like that. It's a good invalidation point for me because of this level there. Here, I'll put it like that. Let's see. Let's see what if it can get anything from the runner. Now remember, it is choppy, right? So, it can chop down, get its TP1, and chop right back up. So. Let's see. If it stays below this area, that's good for our mental short. Can it? Who knows? So far, it's doing it. Remember, this is only a 1 minute chart, so nothing's confirmed or anything like that. But you can see how nicely the Prove It and the Gabby button played together. That's cool. It got us risk free, which is what we want. The runners are the runners. The runners will go if we have the proper risk management, proper stop loss. Let's see, this particular trade probably okay. Starting to get a strong, this means just a strong push, right? Let's just see what happens here. This is looking very nice. Let's see if we can get to this gray box, which is where? 500? Okay, let's see. So far it's doing a nice push down. You see how the probability oscillator has turned red here? That's kind of bullish. Let's see if this thing changed over here. Okay, yeah, this is starting to change now. You see there's a little change in the 1 minute trend. If this money zone starts to flip, I'll keep it on this chart for now. This money zone starts to flip, meaning you see a red one printing up here. It's a good, good chance that we're going to continue down. And if we continue down, where, right? Obviously first would be here, inside, here, breaking through this level, that level, all the way down. Now, what would it take for it to do all that? For me, first, this would have to turn off from yellow. This would have to flip. And then we can see it. Oh, what is going on here? Hold on a second. Excuse me. Go here, here. Okay. All right. So this is very. That means the strength is with the bears right now. And this was a nice little short here. If you look at it from this chart, you can see we had a approved, a sell. So approved is from all these are from TWA indicators, right? So this signal says it's proved that we are likely to go down. The sell backs that up. Strong meaning the bears are strong on this push right now, as you can see. And we're getting to this area here. This mental trade would have been up, how much? 25 points? Yeah, 25 points. Okay. Let's see if it can give us another 25 points. No, there we go. It's dropping now. I can tell by the DOM. We got some, and look, see, I told you. Once this turns off, that gives me a better confidence that this is going to push down. I think it's going to hit 50 points in about, I would say, give it 2 minutes. Let's see. Because now it's breaking down. You see the probability oscillator is red. That means the chop is over now, right? So we can get smoother movements. Let's look here. Okay, now we just need to see if this is officially going to break this 1 minute money zone and start printing a red one somewhere here. So this is the first hurdle. Can we get in this area and stay in it if you're in a short? There you go. It's starting to print. Starting to print. No need to get out of anything just yet. If you're in a short, right? Because it could be up as many as 25 points. Let's see, at 480. See if we can get to 480. That'll be 50 points. Let's see, 50. Okay, see how it's kind of like sticking above this box? Let's see if it wants to push through or if it's gonna come, try to get some more steam before it pushes through again. Let's see. Can it drop 20 points from here? Of course, it's NQ. Yeah, ATR is 12 too, so that's only 2 ATRs away. And we're close to 50 points on this trade. There we go. Push. Let's see. Okay, we're at 97. We got 17 more points for almost, not less. Okay, see how it right now TPOs are turning red, so it's a good probability that we'll get to this 480 mark. Let's see. As far as emotionally, how am I feeling? I'm feeling good that I saw this turn red. I'm feeling good that this turned off. I'm feeling great that this is red. Because if we would have entered, we would have entered here, and that's the beginning of this move down. Okay, almost there. It's about how many points away? 7? Let's see if it's 7 points away. Yeah, it's close. Yeah, 190. Yeah, 490. Let's see if it if it can get there. See, when you look at this chart, there's less emotion of wanting to exit. Where if you're looking at the other one, if like these turn blue, then you'd be like, oh no, this is gonna happen, blah blah blah, right? Let's see, 502. Let's see what happens. See if it can hit that 4. Let's see if it can get to 483. See if it wants to get to 483, or is this where the bulls step in? And pump it from here. Looks like right here you get a little bit of the bulls are sitting so far here. Yeah. Let's see. Eight. Okay, so everything's looking pretty bearish right now, so I could see it pushing down. Let's see. Don't you love it when you say, oh, I could see it going one way and it pushes the other way as soon as you say it? Okay. All right. So it's 11 o'clock. You had a nice little mental short trade here. See how it's weakening right here? It doesn't mean to get out, just means it's weakening, right? So it could come up, push back down. All right, so let's see how the indicators did today. All right, so at the open, we had a nice signal here. Okay, and where was that? At 500. That's at the open. Had a nice signal there. Which you could have gotten out right here. If you want to take another long, here was the other long here. Could have gotten out here. Now, if you wanted to short from here, this is actually would have been a good short because of context, right? This is the expensive box. So you could have shorted here. However, if you did not, don't blame you. Then you saw these signals. And then you could have caught a nice, nice little short to here, which came to here, this area here. So yes, I'm not surprised we're in a bit of a range today where you could have made some dollars long, you could have made some dollars short. It all depends on how you saw your chart. That was a short-lived TPO. That's a bullish sign right here. Seeing that? I, however, was looking long. I took that long. I did not take that long. This is the long that I took here. This is a mental short that was called out by the indicator. Oh, it's really pushing. It's really pushing today. Let's see if it gets to that 83. Yes, it did. There it goes. Beautiful. Right to 83. Let's see if it wants to keep traveling down from here. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh, it's falling. It's falling. Nice. Very nice. This is a nice little short here. Look at how the indicators worked out. Very nice. Sweet. Very nice. Look at it. Look at how nice this looks. Wow. Look at the power of the Gabby buttons again. Thank you, Gabby, for these amazing buttons. All right, guys. So it's 11:10. I'm done for the day. This is one of my how I like to trade. I don't like to stay in front of the charts too long. So, hope you enjoyed this live call. Hopefully, tomorrow I can have some awesome news for you um, of what to expect next. Also, if you are new to the TWA indicators and you want more information, anything, I'm saying like if you want to know more information or how you can get them or anything like that, just DM me on Discord at Moeg at Moeg, and we'll have a conversation and see, if you want it. If you want to have these indicators, whichever ones you like, just, we'll talk and we'll see. But other than that, thank you everybody for trading with me today. As you can see, the indicators did great today. It, mindset wise, did absolutely amazing. Remember to stay patient, and also remember, you control how you feel about every single trade. Follow your process and be profitable. With that, everybody, thank you so much, and I'll see everybody tomorrow. Bye.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm